let's say I am a tester and I love my craft, and today the macro environment has changed a lot. A person is doing a lot of he's supposed to do from an org point of view a lot of other things. So let's say he's supposed to do some part of DevOps also, some part of Scrum Master also, because manpower is being optimized and roles are being merged and stuff like that.
Yeah.
How in that case a person identifies themselves, and how in that case a person makes himself ready for future? On what stream does he make himself ready for future, right?
Yeah.
What does he call himself? Tester? Does he call himself a tester? Call himself a DevOps engineer? Or the three other things which is being asked to do it or not?
That is irony, right? That is irony. That
Yeah,
uh, quality is everybody's responsibility. Yeah.
correct.
We forget that, yeah, quality is everybody's responsibility, but quality is testers' only responsibility.
Yeah,
Yeah. So, so you see, occasional delusions are okay. You're helping the team. I'm not against team ethics and being helpful, but in the spirit of being helpful, don't lose yourself. Don't lose yourself.
yeah.
So you need to push for it. You'll need to explicitly ask for situations that majority of your work is related to testing. Just ask yourself, would a developer do this? Does a developer in your company do this kind of random tasks which are non-development tasks? The CEO of the company, would he do that? The scrum master, would he do that? You hire a scrum master, does he sit and test? Does he sit and develop? Does he sit and do DevOps?
Hmm.
Just reverse the question, and you would see that if you have such a team in which every time testers are put into these odd jobs, you're in a team which thinks low of testing or what you're doing in your company. Just look around and just reverse the tables and ask the question that who in your company are doing all these random jobs?
Hmm.
If testers are the only people who you see that way, you have your answer already with you. So that team does not have a tester role. It has this general do all jobs that, oh, send a courier, collect something from the letterbox, and now do this and do that. If I were you, I would run away from that. Okay. I would ditch the money,
Sure.
I would ditch the designations, I would accept the struggle, and I would seek a tester role. But that's me.
Yeah, but yeah, but I was going to, but that's you. That's easier said than done. That's easier said than done.
Yeah.
That is true.
See, I have accepted in my career the concept of money as a wave. Okay. And I can realize that most people cannot accept it that way. That's what I've
Correct.
been always adding a star mark to my discussions, because to me money is not like this trend. This is not growth for me. Okay. In the path of growth you have these waves.
Big
If
centers,
money,
big centers.
there would be, there have been parts in which the money is low. If you can accept that dip, if you have the courage, okay, to accept a dip in the money, then you can take your career decisions the way I'm telling you. Otherwise, please filter. Please filter the things
Please,
and choose what makes sense to you. Be sensible about it, please. I'm
please
not here
punch
to
and
be.
sieve.
Yeah,
Like you said, please punch and sieve as per your
exactly.
own.
Exactly.
Please punch.